looking at Windows 8.0 first, if you just start typing while you're on the desktop, the search bar pops up off on the right. And then you'll see that things that will try and find something related to that term. And there's a whole bunch of things that come up and everything. Some seem to be very related. Some, as you get further down in the list, don't mean much at all. They're somehow connected to the term. But you can also go up and go to the store, for example, and then it'll do that same search with that phrase within the store. And you notice here in the old search that the store doesn't have any search bar or search entry point here as well. And that's one of the major differences we're going to look at when we look at Windows 8.1 search. So when you start typing in Windows 8.1, you're going to see the same pop out from the side, but the results are dramatically different. First of all, we're going to type in the search phrase Jamaica. You're not going to see all those different sections down there. You're actually going to see results. And you're also going to have this drop down up top where you can qualify your search for images, for settings, for files, and things like that and everything. So you can do that. So what we get here is a list without that long list of irrelevant applications down here and everything. We get to see that you're going to get to where you want to do, and you want to get some suggested searches that other people are doing and everything. But if we go ahead and change that to something more that we wanted to as far as our desktop, we change that to finance. You'll see it found the finance app. Okay, it still has a search terms for other things as well. So you'll see that's the finance app I have on my desktop. So it does all those things that you want to do as far as that goes. So if I start typing a different search for weather, now you'll see that it found the apps that I have installed here on my system. It also has some things about different articles and different things I have. Also the different search terms again. Again, I can qualify that by searching for something different as far as the images or videos. And now here's Skype. If I do Skype, I see I have two different Skype, actually two different SKY things, SkyDrive and Skype both. It tried to do the best it could. It has different search terms down there as well. Now to search for applications on your system, there's a little arrow down here in the lower left, and it brings up a screen with everything you have installed, and you can do search here as well. If you just click over there and you start typing, again we'll use the SKY, there's Skype, there's SkyDrive, and there's also a SkyMaps free program I have installed. It lets you do that. If you want to take a look at different things, you can right click on one and say Skype, and you notice it has this find in start menu. If you click on that and watch what happens, it puts a little white border around that application. So if you have tons and tons of these things and you want to find your application, maybe to move it somewhere else, it's an easy way to find your applications. One more search thing I wanted to cover was that in the store, when you're searching for new stuff and everything, it used to be blank just like the desktop where you just start typing. Well, now if you click on the store, you'll see that it has a search entry text box on the top right hand corner. And right now it has finance for my last search. If I change this to Sky, there's all the different things there. If I click on one, it'll go to that one, or I can click on the search terms below. Another way that search has changed in Windows 8.1. So that's a quick overview of the search capabilities of Windows 8.1, including the store functionality as well. You'll find that it's probably a little bit faster, a little bit easier to use, a little more organized, and a good improvement to the operating system.